This is Chewy. There's Mama. Chewy. Choo choo. He has a little Fu Manchu beard on his bottom lip, and that's why we named him Chewy. There's one of the girls. That's Chica. I don't know which one that is. That might be Otto. Somebody's down here at my feet. There's Chewy. Oh, my battery's dying. I have to go find batteries. Oh, Chewy, come here. Let's show Jeffrey what you look like. Come here, baby. Oh. Say, Mom, zoom out. Oh, yeah. You're silly. Be careful, baby. Okay, here I am. So here's a close-up. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. I don't mean to scare you. Oh, there he is. Feeding time. Maybe, maybe not. This is Daddy. His name is Chico. And he is still a baby. That's Jack, sleeping there on the floor or on the ground. He likes to sleep and lay down. He's kind of lazy. Like his mother. Ladybug, can you say hi? And this is Aunt Bitty Bit. Bitty Bit, say hi. Aww, such a happy little family. Chewy. I had to plug up a hole. I have escape artists on my hands. A wrestling match. Are we rooting for Chewy yet? Are you hungry? This is a good time to get a close-up shot of my baby. Oh. Uh-oh, wrestling match over there.